So here's the 3 ways to get clients. One is cold calling, emailing, messaging. This is the one I like the least. I don't do it that often. I think the only time I did a cold email was, I think when I emailed Canon because I was trying to get some free gears. I was trying to see if they would sponsor me. So that was kind of funny. They said no. So cold calling, email, DMs, I barely do that. Doesn't mean it doesn't work, because I know it works. Not because I did it, but I'm watching other people how they cold call and cold email, and they get like good results too. But I don't do it. I just hate talking to people. But thinking about it now, I think I should do it. I should step out of my comfort zone and try it, right? And the second way, I tried this one a couple times, and this one is paid ads. So I did it on Facebook and Instagram, mostly Instagram. You know, I see a button on the Instagram say boost post. So that's paid ads. I did it on like a small scale, right? Just $5 a day for like 30 days. I got a lot of people hit me up, but maybe 1 or 2 became paid clients. This one's hard to track because maybe like a month later, because maybe they see my ad and maybe there's like, I'm hitting noise up maybe a month later. Then there's no way for me to track that. So the only way I would track it is if I run the ad for a month and whatever new client come in that month, then I would count that as, oh, they came through the ad. So running ads, it works, but I haven't spent too much time on it. So I couldn't tell you the whole thing on it. But it worked because I got 1 or 2 clients that month. But the one thing I don't like about Instagram ads is when you stop running it, your organic reach goes down. Because I remember before I ran ads, I was getting up to like 7,000. I was reaching about 7,000. I had like 10,000 followers. And when I post, it would reach like 7,000. So not the whole 10,000, but I would get 7,000 reach. And then after I ran the ad, stopped running the ad, I got only like 4,000. So the reach went down. And I think the reason why is, this is what I think. I think it's once you pay for ads on Instagram and when you stop, they lower your organic reach because they want you to pay more. So that's what I think. So the third way, this is the one I like the best, is the organic way. This one takes more time, but when you do it right, the momentum on this is crazy. So basically organic is just posting your work. So I try to post my work as much as I can on Facebook and Instagram. Those are the only 2 that give me clients. The organic way takes the most time, but when the momentum goes, snowball, when everything starts rolling, that's when they start working out for you. So I wanted to see if this was true. So I went back. So right now it's August, right? So I went back January. So I went back January and I looked at all the projects that I did. So I made a list of all the clients that I did from January all the way to August. And the crazy thing is only 3% of those clients are new clients. So 97% of the work that I did this year is all returning clients. So that's the power of growing your clients organically. So if I was starting out now, the fastest way to grow organically will be Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Also Facebook Reels too. So if you want to grow fast, post shorts.